Welcome to Toddler Tuesdays. Hi everyone, I thoroughly enjoyed reading all your feedback on my previous recipe. I'm so glad you're enjoying these toddler recipes. Well, I'm absolutely loving making them. So, what's today's recipe? What is it? They are yummy golden sticks. So, let's begin. Okay, now for this recipe, I am using potatoes. I'm going to add some grated carrots, which again were parboiled. Okay, so we all know how healthy carrots are. Now last but not the least, I'm going to add some corn. Most children love corn. Just boil them a little and smash them and we're good to go. Okay, so now I'm going to add a little bit of garlic, just a slight hint. We are feeding our little ones, so you don't want to add too much of this. Now in goes a little salt. I'm going to add a little bit of haldi to give a nice color. We are making golden sticks after all, and it also has a lot of antiseptic qualities. We all know how good haldi is for our immunity, so I'm going to add that. Last but not the least, some Makai ka atta. This is going to help in binding. So now with the help of a spatula, I'm going to mix all of this. I'm just going to check the seasoning before I start shaping them and frying them. So, perfect. Okay, now what are we going to do? We're going to just shape them into sticks. And I'm going to keep them slightly thicker because I also want them to be wholesome. And also because I want to present them in a very cute way. Okay, so I'm going to place these here. Alright, so here these golden sticks are ready, but before I fry them, let me just quickly wash my hands. Alright, so the oil is nice and hot. I had put it in heating a while ago, and now I'm going to start frying these. I'm going to put them very gently. Whenever you're dealing with hot oil, you have to be gentle and very careful. Alright, now these are looking done, golden and crispy. I'm going to take them out in an absorbent paper ताकि जो भी extra oil है वो ये soak कर ले. Alright, and the next batch is also done. और देखिए मैंने यहाँ पे क्या बनाया है? Well, it's an attempted Jenga. Yes, so these are the cute ways in which आप अपने dishes को present कर सकते हैं. अच्छे yummy dishes already बच्चों को बहुत अच्छे लगेंगे, गरम है, लेकिन जब उन्हें cutely आप present करते हो तो फिर उसका मजा ही अलग हो जाता है. Right, so I'm going to try and do the same here. But this is going to be a smaller one. Okay, hot. Alright, and अब इसके साथ मैंने ये बड़ी yummy and healthy चटनी बनाई है दही के साथ और उसमें थोड़ा सा पुदीना डाला है. If you want, you can add a little tamarind also for a little more खट्टापन, but it's totally avoidable. And here you go, our yummy golden sticks are ready. I hope you like this recipe and I'm sure you will. Anyway, enjoy karte karte. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Amrita Raichand, Chef and Beyond. See you next Tuesday.